Yes, yes. Dinner's almost done. Stop pestering me or it'll take longer. What did you find? Oh, a book. Did I leave it out? Here, bring it here. Can you show me the title? Sorry, I can't stop stirring the sauce. What am I making? I already told you. Lasagna. You asked for it, you silly. Don't worry, it's all homemade from my garden in the backyard. What? Haven't you seen it? Well then, how about this? I have a nice garden table out there. I'll bring all the food out when I'm finished, and we can sit back there and eat tonight. I think it'll be fun. What do you think? Yeah, you like that? Well, okay then. We'll eat outside tonight. It shouldn't rain, and the temperature's awfully nice. Why don't you go watch TV or something while I finish up? I'm almost done with everything, okay? Just stop pestering me. Okay. Dinner's ready. Come on, turn that off. I'm bringing everything out to the garden. So, do you like it? I usually tend to it as much as possible. I don't have much to do. Just read, manage the library, keep the house clean, and manage the garden. Then hang out with you, of course. Well, it's so I don't have to go out to the grocery stores. That many people all in one place is kind of overwhelming. Really? You think so? Well, yeah, I work hard. Thank you. Your compliments mean a lot to me. Do you want me to read while we eat, or... Oh, yeah, sure. Okay. The forest stretched out as the human wandered throughout. They knew their path to their destination, through the woods and past the bear cave, just around the vampire's territory and down to the crook where a cozy witch's cottage sat comfortably in between trees. Their footsteps crunched the leaves under their feet as they made their way to the door, making their presence known with a knock. Huh? Who's there? Oh, who are you? What are you doing out here? This is my cottage. You some sort of witch hunter? No. Good. I guess I don't have to turn you into fish and stick you with the others in my aquarium. What do you want? Tutoring? For potions? Hang on, there's another witch in these woods? No, you just want me to teach you how to brew potions. Why? You're not gonna be giving them all those stupid townsfolk, are you? Alright. You can come in, just don't touch anything. Right then, I should probably introduce myself. I'm Percival, the witch, but you can call me Percy. Tricks. Well, I guess you're not a complete moron. Done your research on me, haven't you? Alright. No tricks. Fine. Potions. Which one do you want to learn? Well, no. Potions take time. Can't just teach you all of them, you dummy. How about... Here, let me just look through my... Hey, step away from the jars. No. Yes, those are human. Don't touch. Do you have any idea how annoyingly hard it is to preserve tongues? You can't pickle them, or they'll cause a reverse effect. And refrigeration can completely dull out a potion. No, go sit in the corner while I get my things. No, right next to the aquarium. To remind you what I'll do if you break anything.
Oh, yeah. One of them was a tax guy. They stopped bothering me after I turned him into a snail. A few witch hunters, my ex-boyfriend who wouldn't leave me alone. I told him to stop stalking me or I'd turn him into an eel, but nobody listens. What? No, turning a tax guy is what? Turning a tax guy into a snail is not committing tax fraud. Okay, so looking through my, potion book, I think I'll teach you how to make a healing potion. It can work on the worst of wounds, but it's a pretty basic potion. Really helpful. Come over here. Okay, first we have frog eggs, amethyst powder, bat spleen, fish bone, daisy root, fairy wings, hair of a vampire, and 3 white button mushrooms per batch. Oh, and of course river water to fill the cauldron. Now, I have 2 smaller cauldrons, so we'll each make our own. Here, you take the silver one. It's totally better than regular cast iron. Alright, now, I already have running tap connected to the stream outside my cottage, so come over to the sink. Okay, right, we'll start with just taking the daisy root and sprinkling it in. Come on, do what I'm doing. Yeah, right. If you don't mind me asking, why exactly did you want to learn how to make potions? I see. Oh, don't stop stirring. No, I'm not laughing. I didn't laugh. No, I'm not plotting anything. Come on, just go ahead and keep following the recipe. Alright, now add the hair of the vampire. Where'd I get it from? Well, there's some vampire that lives down in the river. Sometimes I steal from his hairbrush. What? It's not weird. I need some way to get them. I'm not gonna steal them straight from his head. He'd bite me. Yeah, alright. Now, just keep stirring. No, it's supposed to be bubbling like that. Don't worry. It's fine. Oh, that blew up right in your face. Look at you. You're covered in the potion. Oh, I can't believe that. God! Oh, disgusting. Unfinished potion. Oh, it smells terrible. Oh, it's all sticky. Oh, great. Now I'm covered in unfinished potion. Don't laugh at me. You threw in a frog throat? You ruined my potion! I threw one into your potion first. Don't go blaming things on me. Okay, fine. Maybe I was trying to blow up your potion so I could mess with you. Shut up, okay? You had no right to blow... Okay, maybe you did, but still. Nah. Alright, fine. I'll help you make one, but only if we make a truce, alright? Yeah, shake my hand. Okay. I promise I won't mess with you. Cross my heart and hope to die. Only if you promise not to mess up my potion now. This is my big cauldron. I will kill you. Alright. Now come over and stand here so you can see how to make it.